In this video, I will show you how to manage your Discord Nitro credits and take advantage of the premium features available on your account. Whether you are using a desktop or mobile device, understanding how these credits work is essential for maintaining your subscription. On your screen, you can see the variety of Nitro options available, ranging from Nitro Basic to the full premium experience. Prices for these subscriptions can start as low as $3.49 for Basic, while full premium 1-month subs are often found around $8. To use a credit, you first need to acquire one, often by selecting a top-rated seller on a marketplace and completing a secure payment through methods like Apple Pay, Google Pay, or PayPal. Once you have a gift card or a subscription credit, it is added to your account as Nitro credit. This credit is designed to stand by until your current billing cycle ends. Discord Nitro offers major perks like increased file upload limits, up to 500 megabytes, 2 server boosts, and high-quality 60 frame per second streaming. If you are using Nitro Basic, you still get a 50 megabyte upload limit and custom emoji usage. When your current subscription is set to renew, Discord will automatically apply any available Nitro credit instead of charging your saved payment method. You can track this in your user settings under the Subscriptions tab. If you ever need to cancel, you can also manage that in the same menu. Thanks for watching this guide on how to use your Discord Nitro credits. If this helped you out, please like the video and subscribe for more tech tips. Feel free to leave a comment if you have any questions.